Cassie with the blog The Ancestors Table and the Instagram account Cassie Jean Co. Today I'm so excited to show off my new Bosch Universal Plus mixer. Nutrimil sent this to me and I am so excited to give it a try. It's so user-friendly. The other really cool thing about the Bosch mixer is that my mom had the same Bosch mixer probably for my whole childhood, so maybe 15 years at least. They are such strong machines. They're so resilient and they last forever. My kids wanted me to make some cookies, so I'm going to go ahead and whip those up in my Bosch mixer and show you how to use the paddle attachment. As usual, I like to make these cookies with my fresh milled flour. When you use fresh milled flour, everything becomes a health food because your kids are going to be getting B vitamins, folate, extra protein, fiber, trace minerals. It has it all in fresh milled flour. It's so good for them. For this recipe and most baked good recipes, I like to use soft white wheat. I feel like it gives a good amount of rise to the cookies and pastries without being too gluten heavy. I start by combining my flour with a little bit of salt, baking soda, and baking powder. And then I mix up the wet part of my batter, which is butter, eggs, sugar. For this recipe, I used sucanat, which is a non-refined sugar, a little bit lower on the glycemic index, and it also includes some of the healthier parts of the sugar cane that they remove when they refine sugar. I mix this all up in my Bosch mixer, add the chocolate chips, into the oven. This goes for about 8 minutes. Now, I like to leave my cookies sitting out on the counter for about 15 to 20 minutes, which is hard to do, but I find that these cookies look a little bit doughy when they first come out after 8 minutes, but you don't want to over bake them or they get really, really crispy. So if you bake for about 8 minutes and then let them sit on the counter until they are completely cooled, they do not crumble nearly as much. I will place this entire recipe in the description and I hope you guys enjoy. As always, please like and subscribe.